What's going on, guys? Welcome to your 11th game development tutorial with Java applets. What we're going to do in today's tutorial is just set up again some things within our ball class. And as you guys might have noticed right here, I've set all my variables to be private. This is a common practice you want to do in any sort of development. Generally in my tutorials I kind of just type out, like a double dx and then set it equal to 0. But in general, you want to set most of your variables to be private if you can. That way you won't mess up some of these variables in a different class, such as our platform class. We had a x and a y and a dx value as well. So when we're coding, we might mess up a different value than the value we're actually trying to mess up. So after you guys change all these variables to be private, what we do want is a way for our other classes to have access to these variables to see what they are, see what they currently are, and see if we want to change them or anything. For example, what we're going to be checking pretty soon is if our ball is within the coordinates of our platform. If it is, we're going to make our ball bounce back up instead of going straight through the platform. So a little bit of collision detection there. So how we're going to do this is by getting and setting methods that just return the values or set the values. And I mean, this is a common practice you use a lot in developing. It's so common, in fact, that you can just hit Control Space and then type out get x, and it already will have a method that will return the x value for us, again our x variable. And then we can also make sure we do the set method as well. So we're going to say set x, and it takes an integer within the parameter, and all it's going to do is set our current x to whatever is being passed in. So we're just going to set up some of these general methods here. So again, just Control Space and get y, Control Space, set y. So this again is just a way for other classes to either find out the information of where the current y and the current x is, or it can even set the current x and current y if we want. Maybe within the ball class we don't even want anything else to set the x and y, but we're just going to throw them in there for purpose of the tutorial. So let's just throw in a public, let's throw in also our dx, get dx, and get dy, set dx, set dy. I mean, we could pretty much do it for each variable if we wanted, but I just want to show you a few. Again, we could just do it for energy loss as well. Pretty much any variable that we want, and it's pretty simple to set up. Maybe get gravity, it would be a good one to have, and also set gravity, because later we might change the gravity of our game, and might be easier or harder depending on if the graphics if the gravity is higher or lower. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I mean, it's pretty lame, but again, this way we can access these variables from different classes, and I'll show you how this is done when we need to use it. But yeah, just set up some gets and some sets, and it will either return the variable wherever we're calling these methods, or it will set the variable of our ball class. So I know it's a pretty lame tutorial, but good useful thing to know when you're programming. So hope you guys kind of enjoyed it, and I'll catch you later.